Alright, we got something really cool from Nabalis. Another Nabalis product. We got a cloth, it seems like. This is pretty cool. Never stop. Right, let's check it out. Right. So this is the extrusion. I think this is the version 2 extrusion by Nabalis. Here's it in the thingy. Open that up. Wow. This is sick. It sounds really cool. It's got the black and gold. It's got this nice bite handle indicator. It's kind of like the Squid Industries swordfish. See? Side by side. Swordfish and the extrusion. I was expecting Nabalis to be kind of cheaper in quality, considering they're really cheap in price. But like, this is really good. So let's compare this with the Vulp. My other Nabalis product, I got the Vulp here. Compared to the Vulp, it actually feels better flipping. Yeah, this is nice. We got some stickers along with it. The lube. Got the Loctite. Got a bite handle indicator. That's nice. Got the logo on there. Got some stickers. These are definitely going on the water bottle. There. Then we got extra hardware, just in case. We got the torque screw. And yeah, the bag with it. This is pretty cool. This is my 4th addition to the collection. So, nice.